Hi my people, welcome back to my page. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make this delicious frittata. We all know frittata has to do with eggs and plantains, so I want you to enjoy this recipe. Watch it to the end and make sure you recreate it because this is so delicious. So this is my ripe plantain. I'll be making use of 5 pieces of fried plantain depending on the size of the frittata you want to make. Make sure you salt your plantain. It's very important. The veggies you want to use and eggs should be ready. Okay, break the eggs. Make sure the eggs are all good. If you are not sure if all the eggs are good, you can use this kind of method I did in this video. Fry the plantain until they are golden brown. You can cut the plantain in any shape and size you want, but this particular circular shape has a very simple way of making your frittata come together. Pour the egg in a clean bowl, add black pepper, garlic powder or onion powder, then salt. It's very essential and important that your eggs has their own taste before entering the fried veggies. Fry your onion until they are translucent, then add the veggies. It's very important you make use of a non-stick pan or pot for this recipe so that the frittata will not end up sticking to the pot. Make sure you use less oil while making your frittata. And look at how delicious this thing looks. I'm already salivating. So you are almost done with the whole frittata recipe. All you have to do is to cover and allow to cook. You can actually pop this in an oven or make it the same way I made mine. It took about 15 minutes and it's ready. Now you have the most delicious frittata. Cheers.